Use a screwdriver to remove the 4 screws around the lid dropper. Remove the top half of the lid dropper. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws from the lower half of the lid dropper. Pull out the docking terminal of the lid dropper and take out the lower half of the lid dropper. Plug in the docking terminal of the lid dropper. Install the lower half of the lid dropper.
对着。对。
Install screws for lower half of lid dropper.
我把这一节剪了。按。
Install top half of lid dropper.
你指向那个螺丝的那个方向。
Install the 4 screws on the top half of the lid dropper. Make sure the lid dropper is firmly installed.